Can this be true? Tell me, can this be real? How can I put into words how I feel? My life was complete. I thought I was whole. Why do I feel like this losing control? Never thought that love can feel like this. You changed my world with just one kiss. How can it be you're right here with me? You're an angel, a miracle. Your love is like a river, peaceful indeed. Your sword is like a secret that I never could keep. When I look into your eyes, I know that it's true. God must have spent a little more time on you. Oh, a little more time. Mommy, love you.